I'm a little bit weird that way, a little bit analytical that way. Whereas I don't feel like me customizing indicators helps me get an edge against the market. I feel like my edge against the market is my ability to read price action. Does that make sense, guys? Like that's what I feel is my superhero power. That's your superhero power. Our ability to read that price in the real time. I don't personally like adjusting too many settings on the indicators based on what the original authors of the indicators did. And the reason I don't do that is because I want to understand the general market mentality with indicators. I'm not using indicators to necessarily tell me to buy or sell. I'm looking at price to make those decisions. For example, you look at this on the NASDAQ earlier today, this little double top right there. If you break that double top, I could care less what any indicator says. Like any indicator says, you break a double top and that's a breakout. That's good. Let's get you up and go with the stop right underneath the breakout channel. And so I'm going to make those decisions based on price. And because of that, I want to see these indicators from the viewpoint of the market itself. Does that make sense, everybody? And again, I'm not saying you can't modify indicators. That is not what I'm suggesting. I'm just suggesting if you're going to do that, always go back to the original to understand market understandings as well. All right. So where do we use the 20 SMA then? For the most part, we use the 20 SMA as pullback zones in bullish uptrends and as pullback zones in bearish downtrends. And if it breaks those pullback zones, like we saw here, at that point you do have something officially different on the chart versus what we have been talking about. That pullback zone is a support and resistance zone. Think about that 20 SMA as a support zone. It's not like at Blue Sky, we use a lot of horizontal levels, bank levels, those types of horizontal levels. Dynamic support and resistance is moving support and resistance. It's not stagnant.